to our channel Tech Probie, and in today video we will explore the ChatGPT 4, which is a paid version of this AI model. And we have already covered this ChatGPT 4 paid version in our channel. You can check this video. We have create a video on this AI model 7 days ago already, but we are creating again a video on this one because that this AI model, the ChatGPT, has introduced some major update on this model, the paid version. So we are covering today the you can the update version on this video. So let's go, let's check step by step all the new updates we having on this new version. So starting from the main screen, the UI part, if you can check on this video, the earlier version, in the earlier version we have a plain and simple UI where we only have this you can say the option to write our query and some suggestions, and then we have a sidebar over here and start a new chat options. And over here we have a chat gpt 3.5 and toggle between 3.5 and 4. But now when we have a new UI, in this new UI we have uh, option to write our query, then we have option to select a drop down over here. After that we have some more options, the more plugins, the more explore options as well. And rest we have the chat we have already in the earlier version as well. So now we will explore step by step. So first of all we will go with the chat gpt first option. So I will select the chat gpt first over here, and we will select between 3.5 and 4 from here. After that we will go to this one, oracle apex gpt. So as of now I will leave it because this is one of the, you can say, advanced version, a new feature which is introduced by this ai model. We will explore it in this option, in this explore option. So this negotiator and delhi will come under the explore options, so I will directly jump into this one. Once I click over here, the explore one, it will give us all the options over here. So I will now click over here, create a gpt beta. As of now we have an option to create our own chat gpt specific purpose version. So once I click over here, so now you can see we can create our own gpt model which will work specifically for one task. So if you are a writer, you can create your own gpt model which will targeting your writing skill only, and you can provide all the content, all the, you can say, research work to it, and it will research only to a particular direction only, and it will give you a specific related to data to that only. So as of now I will give you a reference to what I have created right now. I have created a oracle apex gpt. So I will click over here, and now I will edit my gpt, and I will show you how it will be created. So once you will create a new gpt, there will be option to create and configure. Once you click over here on the configure options, it will give you option to write a name for your gpt. You can create your name for over here. So I have given a name oracle apex gpt. Then I have given a description over here. After that I have given instruction for my particular specific gpt. So this is the instruction that it will deal with the particular css, html, bootstrap, javascript, pl sql, oracle apex, and I have given all the instruction over here. So whatever oracle apex consists of, I have given all of them. After that I have given some starter, you can say, conversation builders over here. Then I have given a pdf file which consists of all the oracle apex fundamentals or specific knowledge. So if in case a user will ask a specific questions, and my gpt wants to study out some content, he can refer to this pdf as well. So it will be a source code for this specific gpt. After that it can also take a reference from web browser. Dell image generation can create image as well if user want to. and code interpreter, as well as we have additional setting as well. So now after creating it, I have some options over here. If I want to make it up only for me, if I want to use it for me only, or I want to use it for me only, or I want to share it with my personal people only, with the link only available, or I want to make it a public GPT. So if in case I will make it a public GPT, it will become as a, you can say, a plugin. So in that case, whoever in this paid version of GPT-4 can use this and take advantage of Oracle Apex GPT, which is created by me and look like this one, Oracle Apex GPT by Ravinder Thaplial, and take advantage of this GPT. So in future as well, I can update it and make it more advanced as well. So I will be the creator of this one, this GPT. So likewise, you can create your own GPT and help the community as well. From here, we can also give an image to our GPT as well. So after that we have Dell E, which we have already covered in our last video. So basically in Dell E, what will we do is, from text we can create an image as well. So I will just give you a demo over here, dog with a stone. So it will convert my text into a image. So likewise there are multi, so you can check. Yep, so it's done. So now likewise we have multiple plugins over here, data analytic, which we have already covered in this our previous video. You can check out this video. Then we have classical chat gpt, which is similar to a chat gpt 4. Then we have game time. This is all the, you can take a reference like a, just a plugins, open ai models. So like negotiator, we have already discussed about this one. The negotiator, it will work as a negotiator if you want to uh, try for a, or practice for a interviews, or want to practice for a hr round, or whatever you want to work for as a negotiator. So you can take a reference from here. It will work as a co-pilot for you and help you in the negotiation part. Then or creating writing coach, so it will also analyze your writing skills and give you a feedback as well. So cosmic dreams, likewise you can explore all the open ai models from here. After exploring all of them, now we have some other, you can see the new options from here as well, the account sections. So over here you can select, from the logout option you can sign out from here, setting and beta, click over here. From the journals you can select themes and clear cache data from here. Beta features, plugins, advanced data analytic, you can enable both of them. Data control features, manage shared links, build profile. So this is a, basically you will publish your name, website, if you have any website you can open it, and domain as well. Also uh, custom instructions. So custom instruction are basically, when you start working with this paid version, it will ask you some questions like what you are based on, what type of work you do, what type of search you are looking for, what are you interested in for. So you have to give these questions answers. So it will be a more, you can say, it will give you a more relevant answers. So I have already insert some answer related to that one. You can take a reference from here. So in this case, thoughts starters, it's a basic information it will ask you. You have to give answer to that, this one. Then we have my gpt, it's basically a home page. Then I have my plans. In my plans it will give you the plans details. As of now I have a plan which have a $20 per month, which will be around, with the gst it will be around 20 2000 per month in indian rupees. So that's all for the new updates on ChatGPT 4. So thank you so much, and that's it for this video. And please like, share and comment on this video if you like this video.